Good morning, children. Have a nice day. Children, this is your Fun with English book. This is your Fun with English book. Okay, children. First of all, you will open page number 12 of your book. We will do the sound story related to the letter A. See, children, in a jungle there is an apple tree. Apple tree, and animals live near the apple tree. One day, an alligator comes there with an axe in his hand. He wants to cut the apple tree, and animals get very angry. They shout, "No, don't cut the apple tree. Don't cut the apple tree." The bear uses the bow to shoot arrows. Bear uses the bow to shoot arrows on the alligator. And you know, ant and squirrel throw apples on the alligator. And seeing this, alligator gets scared and runs away. Okay, children, now tell me, who comes to cut the apple tree in the jungle? Think and tell. Yes, you are right. Alligator. Alligator comes to cut the apple tree in the jungle. Yes. Now, children, tell me, which animal uses the bow to shoot arrows on the alligator? Think and tell. Yes, you are right. Bear uses the bow to shoot arrows on the alligator. Now we will again speak all the things starting from a sound. Apple, apple tree, ant, animals, alligator, axe, arrow. Okay, children, now you will look around in the house and name the things having beginning sound as a. Very nice. Have a nice day.